Hello everyone, hope you all are extremely well. So in this video, we are going to discuss about some wonderful hiring opportunities. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Also do share the video among your friends as well so that even they can know about these hiring opportunities because this is going to be very helpful for them as well. So do share the video guys. थोड़ा सा reach बढ़ा दो, please share कर दो, right? Also, अगर अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, so make sure to subscribe. This channel is going to be very helpful for you, and also it will motivate me to make more such useful content for you. So if you want me to continue the work that I'm doing right now for you all, just a little thing I'm asking you to do is just to subscribe the channel, like this video, and be a part of our Telegram channel as well, where you can discuss your doubts, queries, whatever you have in your mind, you can share there itself, right? So make sure to join our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Okay, so before proceeding further in the video, I usually get questions from the student side regarding the courses for programming or for completing programming courses or data structure courses or many other courses. So one of such wonderful platform that is going to offer you these sort of courses is Geeks for Geeks. I'm hoping and I'm 100% sure that you must have heard about it, right? So if you're looking for any of the courses you want to purchase from the Geeks for Geeks, you can get a 10% off on the course by using the coupon code Study with Soumya. Right, so use the coupon code Study with Soumya, get the 10% off and start learning from today itself. Happy learning, guys. So our first opportunity is from Revecho. As you can see right now, well, they are hiring for entry-level software engineer. Talking about Revecho, so it is the leading and fastest growing employer of emerging technology talents. They are basically looking for 300 entry-level software developers to work in Java full stack development and big data. Now, what they are looking for is that engineering graduate with computer science background. With computer science background, BE, BTech, CSE, IT, other engineering majors should have completed a course, a computer science course certification. 2020 passed out and 2021 batch is eligible. Minimum 65% in engineering degree without arrears. Minimum 60% in 10th and 12th board exam. Good communication skills. Now what they're gonna offer is, so 5 lakh CTC per annum they'll be offering. Opportunity to work in product development or service integration. Free bootcamp training they are going to provide you, and during training you will be getting a stipend of 5,000 rupees per month. Now, how they are going to hire is, first of all, there will be an online assessment consisting of logical, reasoning, algorithmic, technical, and coding questions, right? And then one-on-one technical screening or basically technical interview is going to be there, and then final will be an HR discussion. So it's a normal, just a discussion round. It won't be an elimination round, basically, right? So this is the complete process for the Revecha. So make sure to apply for this opportunity. Well, let's talk about our next opportunity, that is from Eurofence. So Eurofence is basically hiring for the role of associate QA test engineer. The job location mentioned is Bangalore, Karnataka. Now here's some sort of company description given, that Eurofence Scientific is the world leader in food and pharmaceutical products testing. You can go through it and you can understand about the company properly, right? Talking about the job description, so position is, we have already discussed that it is associate QA test engineer reporting to manager. Reporting location will be Bangalore. Summary of position and objectives. So smart test engineer required to work as a Scrum team member in a testing role with manual testing skills and to deliver a high quality product. Use the development languages to automate easy test scripts. Do this on a qualitative way, running and keep on running the scripts on a day-to-day basis. Scripts need to run always on different environments and SW version. This means that script need to be hardened and written very well. Manual testing might also be part of the scope to meet milestones. Write test script and focus on the easy scenarios with coding guidelines, right? Let's talk about the job description. So here you will be having the working together with other team members to ensure high quality of delivered solution, ensuring good practices and high quality standard are implemented and followed, performing other related duties as assigned, develop and support various product based on priorities as per business requirements. Talking about the qualifications, so engineering degree in computer science, MCA or any other bachelor's degree with the relevant experience with a minimum 80% aggregate. Experience required is, so 0 to 2 years of work experience as automation engineer, knowledge experience in at least one language, that is JavaScript, Python. Understand the requirements and write test cases and perform manual testing on the application. further points are also mentioned. You can go through it, right? So as if they have mentioned 0 to 2 years of work experience. So if you're just a fresher, so if you're from 21 batch, 2020 batch, 2019 batch, you can apply for this opportunity. Here they have mentioned the technical skills required as well. You can go through it completely. Personal skills are also mentioned. Just understand it. You can just read about this. Okay, so this is a wonderful opportunity, and if you are eligible for this one, make sure to apply. Let's talk about our next opportunity. So that is from Nagarro. Nagarro is basically hiring for the trainee technology role, which is basically a developer role itself. So we are Nagarro. We are a digital product engineering company that is scaling in a big way. We build product services and experience that inspire, excite, and delight. So talking about the job responsibilities, so you'll be executing full software development lifecycle, develop flowcharts, layouts, and documentation to identify requirements and solutions, write well-designed testable code, produce specializations, and determine operation feasibility, integrate software components into a fully functional software system, develop software verification plans and quality assurance procedures, document and maintain software functionality, troubleshoot, debug, and upgrade existing systems, deploy programs and evaluate user feedback, comply with project plans and industry standards. Talking about the qualification and skills they have mentioned is that candidates should have good analytical ability to tackle problem handling. Candidates should be ready to adapt with changing environment in projects. Candidates should exhibit willingness to learn. Talking about the location, so that will be Gurgaon. So make sure to apply for this wonderful opportunity, right? So these were 3 amazing opportunities for all of you. Hope you have found this video useful. But talking about this opportunity, so 2020 and 2021 batch can apply for this one, right? And no matter from which branch you are, because as said, they haven't specified any such branch, right? So make sure to apply, and obviously you will be selected if you are keep on applying and you are preparing. So definitely you will be selected. So you can find the links for all these jobs in the description itself. So just go and apply, and also make sure to subscribe this channel, hit the like button if you like this video, and share the video among your friends as well. Bye bye everyone.